Hey everyone, I'm Johnny. Today we are taking a look at a lovely little pocket knife, the Twitch II by SOG, a good everyday carry with a rosewood handle. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. Quick look at the box, nice packaging overall, anatomy of the knife on the back, lifetime warranty stamp in the bottom right corner, and it is made in Taiwan, which for this price point is just fine. Okay, so looking up close, first the stats. Weight is 2.6 ounces. Blade length is 2.65 inches. Overall, the length is 6.2 inches when open. Blade steel is AUS 8, which is good quality steel for a knife priced around $60. AUS 8 is corrosion resistant and easily machinable, keeps a decent edge. SOG use a lot of AUS 8 steel in their knives, and I've always felt confident in them, even in their cheaper ones. I like this rosewood handle. It's very attractive, though it's not overly grippy, so that's something to keep in mind. It's got a low carry solid clip. Pretty simple. Seems like a nice construction. Knife opens smoothly. I have no issues with that. Flipper has a nice grip on it. However, this knife is a bit small for my hands to comfortably open one-handed, mostly because the handle doesn't have any grip on it. That being said, I knew this was a rosewood handle, and occasionally I want a knife that is aesthetically pleasing over practical. And that being said, this is still a very practical everyday knife. The grip is just something to keep in mind. One feature I like on this knife is the locking mechanism, because it has an additional safety clasp just down here. And that safety clasp is optional, so I always like when it's optional. If I want to add a layer of safety when my blade is open, I simply just push this safety pin up, and now I can't release the knife. And then if I want to close it, I just put the safety in, and the knife folds away easy. I prefer these types of safeties when they give you a choice, as it's nice to have that option, but I don't always want to have to think about it when I'm putting my knife away. It depends on what I'm using it for. Overall, for the money, I can recommend this knife if you are looking for something nice on the eyes with a simple blade. Let's take a look at the blade. Satin polish, simple and practical blade. SOG etched into the side. Thanks everyone for watching this review of the SOG Twitch II. If you want to support my channel, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.